Hey, it's your balloon bestie Karen Sawyer, and today you will learn how to make this basic balloon helmet hat. All right, let's get this party popping. Okay, so we are going to now create the helmet hat. We're going to take the basic hat. If you haven't watched the tutorial, go and hit the link below to take you to that tutorial. But from there, you're going to simply take and make a 1-inch bubble on the part of the balloon that's sticking up. If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button. It does help my channel out a ton, and it is a super small free way to show your support. Thank you, and let's get back to the tutorial. You're gonna come straight across the top. You're gonna go over, and you're going to simply twist this into that portion of the hat that sits on the head. And then there's your helmet hat. Okay? Very easy to do. Thanks for watching. Happy twisting, y'all.